This is my celery. Unfortunately, my celery has died. And I think we all need to take a moment of silence in appreciation for the celery that gave its life so that I wouldn't have to water it. But we can all take solace in the fact that there will be more people at the funeral and more tears shed for this celery than for Justin Trudeau when eventually that motherfucker actually dies and makes this country a better place. Thank you. This video has not been brought to you by Pilsner. Have a PBR. Maybe they'll pay me.